Microsoft recently announced the arrival of Windows 11, which will be replacing Windows 10 after 6 years. By the looks of it, Windows 11 looks like a great upgrade over Windows 10. Windows 11 comes with a lot of new features in comparison to Windows 10, so you all must be pretty excited to have Windows 11 OS in your device. So in this video, we will be going to see if Windows 11 is going to be compatible with your system. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. And if you like this video, please ensure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Also, let me know how do you feel about the new Windows 11 in the comment section below. Windows 11 should be available on the system around the holiday season, which should be somewhere between October and November. However, if you would like to install the beta version of Windows 11, then you can get it as early as next week if you are part of the Windows Insider program. Please ensure that you're not installing this in your primary device, as this is going to be an unstable version which might cause some problem to the system, so it is recommended to install it in a secondary device. Before getting started, let's go through some of the features of Windows 11 that has been introduced. Firstly, in Windows 11, the Start button is going to be in the center of taskbar rather than being in the corner as in the case of Windows 10. It will also be supporting the Android Store apps, which was not the case with Windows 10. Also, the live tiles will no longer appear in the Start menu. The multitasking experience will be improved in Windows 11 with ease with tools like Snap Layout, and Windows 11 update will also be getting smoother as it will be happening in the background, and it is supposed to be faster as updates will be 40% smaller. Microsoft Teams will be integrated with Windows 11, which will help to connect instantly with the people we care about from the desktop no matter what device they are on. Then with Microsoft Edge, we will have multiple amount of widgets from which you can quickly stay up to date with news, information and entertainment that matters most to you. Coming to the gaming, Windows 11 will be bringing Auto HDR and direct storage to gamers, which were Xbox features, and now they are going to be part of PC in Windows 11. And finally, the new Windows will be available in widest array of devices. So let's go ahead and see the minimum system requirements. The processor should be of 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores, and it should be compatible with a 64-bit processor. It should be having a memory of 4 GB RAM. The storage is supposed to be more than 64 GB. The system firmware should be UEFI and secure boot capable. The TPM module which is supported is version 2.0. The graphics card is supposed to be DirectX 12 compatible with WDDM 2.x. The display should be greater than 9-inch with HD resolution. And of course, it should be having the internet connection. So finally, how to check the compatibility of Windows 11 with your system. For this, you will have to download the PC Health Check app, which is available here. I will be sharing the link of this in the description. So once you can download it, it will be available in the start menu as you can see here, PC Health Check. Just click on it. And here you can see in the top introducing Windows 11, check now. Just click on it. This PC can run Windows 11. So my system supports Windows 11 whenever it will be available. Likewise, you can check the same in your device, and then you will be knowing if your system will support Windows 11 or not. So that's all about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.